Hello boys and girls of the interwebs, welcome to another video here on Food Chain TV. I'm going to show you how to make a really nice meat sauce for your spaghetti. Stay tuned. Alright, let's get right into this. So first, a pound of ground beef, 85% lean because I like a little bit of fat in there. And we'll put in half of a diced onion. Now check this out, this paddle looking thing, this is a beef breaker upper. And what you do is you stab your beef like this and it breaks it up. Pretty cool, huh? I'll put a link of this down in the description. So we got a nice hot pan. We're gonna start cooking our onions and our beef. And this beef has enough fat in it so that as soon as all the fat comes out of the beef, it'll start frying the onions. Now that our beef's all nice and broken up, it's gonna cook faster. Now I'm gonna make this sauce from scratch, and I love using San Marzano tomatoes. I want you guys to leave me a comment below and let me know what your favorite brand of tomato is when you make your sauce, and whether you use fresh canned tomatoes like this or whether you use a pre-made sauce like Rao's, for example. Let me know in the comments section, I'm curious to know. Because we're using such a wide pan, this ground beef took only like 3 minutes to cook. And even though our beef is done cooking, I'm just gonna sweat these onions out for a couple more minutes. Okay, right before I add my tomatoes, I'm gonna put about a dozen chopped cloves of garlic in here. I like it really garlicky. And I'm just gonna stir this around here for like 15 seconds. Secret ingredient. I like my meat sauce to taste really meaty and beefy, so I put beef bouillon concentrate in there. Okay, so just a spoonful like that, and that's gonna give it a really nice flavor. Now you take your tomatoes and you just crush them by hand. I'm gonna add about a handful of fresh chopped parsley. I'm gonna add a little bit of salt. And I'm gonna turn the heat down and just let this simmer out for like 15 minutes. Every couple of minutes, give it a nice little stir. Okay, and now during the last 3 minutes of cooking, I'm gonna add my fresh basil. I like nice big chunky pieces of basil. You can mince your basil or slice it or do a chiffonade. And you add basil at the very end because that's when basil is at its most flavorful state. If you cook it with the basil, as it cooks, the basil flavor actually diminishes. Alright, and I'm just gonna finish it off with some fresh ground black pepper. We've simmered this for about 15 minutes or so, and see how nice and thick it is? Most of the water from those San Marzano tomatoes have evaporated. And this is a nice, meaty, thick, flavorful sauce ready for our pasta dish. Here's our nice pasta dish. Put some of that beautiful sauce over it. Make sure we get some of those nice basil leaves. And here's a nice handful of fresh aged Parmesan cheese. Alright, check this out. We have to taste this. This is my favorite part of making videos, is obviously the eating part. Alright, here we go. Oh, look at that. Oh man, this is so good. Guys, you gotta try this recipe. It's only gonna take you like 30 minutes, ready in time for a weeknight dinner. Let me know in the comments what you think. And I know everybody has their own special secrets and tips for how they make their sauce. Please share them below in the comments. We would all love to know. Thank you guys very much for watching this video. Please do not forget to hit that subscribe button. Your subscriptions help me spend more time making videos for you.